Welcome back to Fox 2 News at 9 a.m. We're in the box with Thomas Heaney and Tim Avon joining us right now. Thank y'all so much for being here.
Yeah, thrilled to be here.
Man, we're glad to have you.
Yeah.
How long have you guys been playing together?
We've been messing around on guitar for about 5 years, but we started getting serious about a year and a half ago, and we've been playing shows since then.
Yeah.
And the college kids are loving you, getting rave reviews from some of our interns here at the station. So
We do what we can.
And big show coming up on Friday.
Yeah, we have a show this Friday at Sky Music Lounge. It's at 6:15. No cover charge. All ages are welcome. There's more information on our Facebook page, which is Tim Avon and Thomas Heaney. So if you want to check that out, give us a like. And we're going to play a song that we wrote called Beauty Queen.
All right. Here's a taste right now on the 9 a.m.
Took a walk on a Friday night, alone downtown, the city lights. I'm searching for this girl in my mind, but I haven't met her. She ties her hair back and wears baggy clothes, listens to Davis in her bedroom alone, and she hates watching reality shows, but I haven't seen her. She looks like a beauty queen, and she's all tangled up in my bed sheets, and she's so comfortable in her own skin, but it's all in my imagination, yeah. Rain is falling in the afternoon.
That is Thomas Heaney. Tim Avon, you can catch him Friday night, Sky Music Lounge. 6:15 is the time. Check them out. College kids are loving them. You will too. More coming up. Fox 2 News, 9 a.m.